Hey everyone! Welcome back to your Today we're diving into the sweet world of fruit gardening. Whether you've got a backyard, balcony, or just a few pots, we'll guide you from preparing the soil to picking your first fruits. Let's get growing. Step 1. Choosing the right fruits. Think about your climate, space, and sunlight.
In warm climates, go for citrus, bananas, or figs. Cooler areas, apples, berries, or cherries are better. Pro tip, start with easier fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or dwarf tomatoes if you're a beginner. Next, plan your space. Fruits need 6 to 8 hours of sun, well-draining soil, and good airflow. Sketch your garden layout. Raised beds or containers work great for small spaces. Use companion planting to make the most of your area. Healthy soil equals healthy fruits. Mix compost, aged manure, and organic matter into your soil. Check your pH. Most fruits love slightly acidic soil around 6.0 to 6.5. Now it's planting time. Seeds start indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. Seedlings gently transplant when soil warms up. Bare root trees soak roots, then plant in early spring. Fruits need consistent moisture, especially during flowering and fruiting. Water early in the morning and avoid wetting the leaves. Feed your plants with compost tea, fish emulsion, or a slow-release organic fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing. Too much nitrogen gives you leaves, not fruit. Pruning isn't just for trees. Keep your fruit plants healthy by removing dead or crowded branches, suckers near the base. Overgrown runners, like with strawberries, use trellises for vertical fruits like grapes, tomatoes, or cucumbers to save space and improve airflow. Watch out for pests like aphids, caterpillars, and fruit flies. Use neem oil, insecticidal soap, or natural predators like ladybugs. Diseases like powdery mildew or blight, remove infected leaves and keep plants dry. Rotate crops yearly to reduce buildup. Now the best part, harvesting. Each fruit has signs. Berries, full color and easy to pull. Apples, pears, firm but give slightly when pressed. Citrus, test for sweetness before picking. Harvest early in the day when it's cool and handle gently to avoid bruising. Store your harvest properly. Berries, refrigerate quickly. Apples, cool. Dark place, citrus, countertop or fridge. Enjoy fresh or try making jams, smoothies, or drying your fruits for later. That's your full fruit gardening journey, from soil to snack. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more garden how-tos. Have questions or fruit tips? Drop them in the comments below. Happy harvesting.